I had a particular student who always sat in the back of the room in a corner, very quiet, reserved, kind of shy. And one day, the student's hand goes up, and I see it, and we lock eyes and smile because we both kind of realized what was happening at that moment. And I call on the student, and that student is starting to emerge. And it's the Mayerson Project that's bringing the student out.
I think that the Mayerson Project has made me a better faculty member. I will say I get very excited to do student philanthropy and also service learning. It just makes the class more interesting. Students know that they are doing something real.
This allows us to have a platform to grow as a human beings, to grow as a teachers and as a professors, and to grow as a community to help each other.
And from the very beginning, I was hooked. I realized that for me, it was an opportunity to expose my students to meaningful engagement with the community and have us teach our course concepts in ways that would really stay with our students and be more meaningful than any other kind of assignment.
Being able to work on my skills and actually learn something while having a demonstrable impact on the world is really great.
I've seen successes from day one when I tell the students that this is what we're going to be doing in this class. And literally, I feel like I can just see them sitting up straighter and becoming just much more engaged in the class.
But the Mayerson Project demonstrates to them that they can make a difference, that they matter, that nonprofit organizations need them. And to me, it's incredible to see this whole group of students, of young people, feel empowered that they can make a difference in their communities and then in the world.
Through this experience, our students have learned about the possibility. And frankly, through this course, they often have their eyes open to careers that align with their passions and their interests, but also their skill sets that they never would have thought of had they not taken the class. I think there are a lot of ways that the community now sees us differently because of this program.
Having the entire semester a group of students working within the need that they have no price. They are absolutely delightful to have a student here, to have a new generation come along and become involved with them.
They know that when an email arrives from NKU, you might want to open it and read it. And they know that when a group of students writes to them from NKU, take that email seriously.
You know, students are connected to these hands-on experiential activities where they're finding these organizations and then investing money in them. So it really is at the heart of our mission.
We became experts nationally as stewards of place, being regionally engaged, working together hand in hand with others in the community to solve real-world problems. And the Mayerson Student Philanthropy course fit perfectly in that.
It definitely made me feel closer to the Northern Kentucky community, but also the NKU community. I really bonded with other students, learning about the work they were doing as well.
After 25 years of the Mayerson Project, I think that we've already seen lasting impacts. So the longer that the program is around, the more and the deeper those impacts will be.
The Mayerson Student Philanthropy program is one that has really given us a national reputation. It's been written about in countless journals. It's really allowed us to live into a reputation as national exemplars of regional stewardship and of being those who care deeply about our region and about the work that happens in it. And I do think that over those 25 years, we've honed this program and made it something truly unique and special. I'm proud of this program.